Hello. Today, we'll be unboxing this. This is the New Year collection for the Pop Bean. So, this one, binili ko siya sa Shopee. Laki naman ng box. Tadaan! This is Pop Bean New Year collection. So, for this Pop Bean, meron siyang 8 kinds. Ayan. Tapos may isang secret. Let's open. Ooh. Ito siya. Malaki nga sila. So, I have here yung normal na Pop Bean. Tapos, compared to this one. Parang double kasi may hook siya. Ayan. Okay. Unlike the Christmas sock series, this one, wala siyang case. Ano lang siya. Anong tawag dito? Naka-pack lang siya ng ganyan. So, isa-isahin natin. Okay. Walang secret. Ang secret kasi yung white na skull panda. Okay, tingnan natin isa-isa. So, first one. This is Molly. Then the second one, is Sweet Bean. Next, baba na natin siya. Next one. This is Labubu, the Monsters. Next, this is Pino Jelly. First time ko yatang magkaroon ng Pop Bean na ganito. Okay, the next one, ang ganda. This is Dimu. Ang ganda, kulay pink. course, my favorite, Cry Baby. Ayan. Tapos yung baba niya, cat. Cute. Okay, this one. This one is also nice. This is Skull Panda. And the normal Skull Panda, it's pink. And then, if you get the secret, white siya. Kala ko 9 yung laman, pero 8 lang pala kasi merong isang secret. And then, the last one, this is Ziga. Cute din. So, ayan. Maganda siya kasi you can connect them together. Ganyan. Connect pa natin. Cute. Ay! Ay! Uy, ba't mo kayo mawa? This too. Ayan. So, may meaning yung mga, mga charms nung pop bean. So, Molly. Ay. Ipapakita natin. So, si Molly, Lucky. And then, this one, Sweet Bean, is Peace. And then, the Boo is Fortune. Like, and then, Pino Jelly is Congratulations. And then, Limu is Best Wish. And then, Cry Baby, yung pusa, Bliss. Then, Skull Panda, Rich. And then, Ziga is Treasure. Okay. Ang cute nilang lahat. Diyan. And I will put this aside. And papakita ko rin yung bigay ni Steph at saka ni Steve. So, eto unang bigay ni Steph sa akin. Hindi ko alam kung anong tawag dito sa series na to. Pero mga parang bottles sila. Ito yung Labubu. Ito yung Cry Baby. Tapos, ano pa to? Molly. And then, Skull Panda. Cute nila. Ayan. Wala akong lagayan. I only have the case for the Christmas sock collection. And puno na sila. Nandito yung Lucky Cat. Tsaka yung merong isang strawberry. Tsaka yung mga galing sa Pop Mart Myeongdong. Ayan, dalawa sila. Yung strawberry tsaka yung isang parang hindi siya pusa eh. Hindi ko alam kung anong series siya. Pero, yun. So, that's all for my unboxing. Bye!